Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Glam by Ruhani. Today we'll be getting wedding ready as wedding guest. First I'll use L'Oreal Revital Lift and apply it all over my face. I'll press it onto my skin. I won't rub it. Next I'll be using this My Glam Vitamin C Brightening Serum and press it onto my skin and rub it a bit with soft hand. Now I'll be using this coconut water moisturizer from Palmer's and rub it all over my face and my neck. Next I'm using this Arc Rival Brow Definer from Try Sugar to shape my brows. I'll be leaving link to everything in my description. Now I'm just shaping my brow with the brush and removing the excess. Now I'll use Maybelline Fit Me Concealer all over my lid and to define my brows. And I'll blend it using Note Beauty Blender. Now I'll use Lit Compact Powder from My Glam to set my eyelids. Next I'll be using this Hot Mess Pop Exo palette and use pink shade as my transition shade. Now I'll use the orange shade to deepen up my crease. I'll use it all over my crease and outer lid. Now I use this NK Lucky Charm palette and golden shade all over my lid. I'll be using on the inner side of my lid, as you can see. Now I'll use again the orange shade to just deepen up the crease bit and to give dimension to the makeup. Now I'll use In Color eyeliner and apply a simple liner, as I don't want to go for a wing liner. I'll leave the description to each and everything in the link. I'll mention the shades and every product in my description. Now I'll use this Twisted Mascara from My Glam on my lashes. Next I'll be using this Glow Moisturizer from My Glam. It gives a bit shine to the face. Like look how glowy my face is looking. I'll apply it all over my face and neck. Now I'm using this My Glam Tinted Perfection Primer and rub it all over my face. It makes the surface so smooth and makeup get easily applied. Now I'm using this 4 color corrector palette from Forever 52 and using orange corrector on the sides of my nose, on upper lips and under my eyes, and blend it using the same brush. As I said, I'll put this link to each and every product in my description with shade names. Now I'm using this Tender Cream foundation from Forever 52 as well and apply using flat foundation brush all over my face. It is such a good foundation, it gives full coverage, and blend it using Beauty Blender. Now I'll apply concealer from the same concealer palette under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose and on my upper lip. And I'll be using contour shade from same palette as well and contour my face using same flat brush from which we applied the foundation. I'll be blending my concealer using brush. I'll first blend my concealer, and to blend my contour and to mix everything together, I'll be using Beauty Blender. And now I'll be applying the contour shade on my jawline and blend it using the brush. I forgot to apply it earlier. Now I'll be setting my base using Lit Compact Powder from My Glam. And I'll set my base, full base using it, even my under eyes. I'm using a big fluffy brush. Now I'll use Pose Bronzer Duo and bronze up my face. Now I'll use this Sivana Colors Pink palette to blush, and I'll use this pink shade as my blusher and apply the blush on apple of my cheeks and a bit on my nose. Now I'll use this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter and highlight my face. I'll highlight my cheekbones and bridge of my nose and my upper lips. Now I'm using same Hot Mist palette shade pink and orange under my waterline and yellow shade in my inner corner, as you can see. This palette is so pigmented. Now I'll use the Jet Set eyeliner from My Glam. I'll be using the blue shade on my waterline. Now I'll apply mascara on my lower lash line as well and bit on my upper lash also. Now I'll be setting my face using NYX Dew Finish setting spray and apply a bit more highlighter before the setting spray dries to get that intense glow. Now I'll be using Lit liquid lipstick from My Glam as my sindoor and as my lipstick as well. So this is the complete look. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please do not forget to subscribe, follow and share.